Today I want to show you an example for a lesson with the Activity Builder from Smart Notebook. This video is made for the Living School Lab Summer School 2014 in Dublin. First of all, I made a folder for the pictures I need. The lesson is about recycling, so I put all the pictures in a folder called Waste. I found the pictures on the internet and some of them in the Smart Notebook program. You will find the icon for the Activity Builder on the right side of the screen. There is a short tutorial as well. Here is the first page for the pupils. You can discuss the meaning of recycling like in any other lesson. Here is an example the pupils wouldn't like. They have to fill in the words in the right columns, and it's a bit boring and not really motivating. So here is the result. And here is my proposal. The page is ready for the students. They have to click on the pictures and they have to choose the right bin for it. For example, here's a Coke bottle and they have to choose the right container. So if it's correct, then the picture disappears. And if it is wrong, then it comes back to the place it was before and they have to choose again. And the children can, for example, say, I put the salad in the organic box and it is correct. The soup can belongs to the cans and it disappeared because it was correct. I will show you one more example, a broken plate. It does not belong to the plastic container, it does belong to the bin container and it disappeared. It is possible to use that on an iPad as well if you work with iPads in your school, and you can install it for €6 on the Smart Notebook app for your iPads. So it is really good because the children can work at their own speed and at their own needs. Now I will show you how to create a page like that. And it is really easy. Remember that all the pictures are already in a folder and the icon Activity Builder is on the right side. And there's also a tutorial, but we don't need it right now. So you have to arrange the pictures, the bins and the pictures with the waste. And you click on the Activity Builder icon. And then you identify one bin, for example the black one. And then you have to choose which one of the pictures of the waste belong in that bin. For example, this picture belongs in it. So you put it in the upper window and you can see that the green box is ticked, so it means that it's okay. And all the other pictures that do not belong in this bin are in the lower window. And then you have to click the Finish button. Now we identify the glass container and we have to choose which one of the waste pictures belong in that container. For example, the glass bottle. You can see again that it's ticked and all the other pictures belong in the lower window. And then you have to click Finish. And now we are choosing the paper container and we see that the sheet of paper belongs in the paper container, so we put it in the upper window, and all the other things belong in the lower window. And you have to do this with all the bins and with all the pictures of the waste. And don't forget to click finish. This is really important. And finally, I want to remind you that there is an app for the iPads as well. And this is really important because it enables each child to work at their own speed. Thank you very much for your attention.